In 2025, time is your most expensive currency. While most small business owners are stuck replying to DMS and chasing cold leads, the smart ones have automated 80% of their sales process using AI. In this video, I'll show you 20 powerful, real-world steps to automate your business, grow your income, and finally get your time back. No tech degree required. Let's dive in. Briefcase step-by-step WALKUGH. Step 1. Set up a lead magnet funnel using System.io or go high level. Use AI to write the copy. Automate email follow-up. Capture leads while you sleep. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to write high-converting product descriptions. Feed it your customer pain points, and let it handle the rest, faster than any freelancer. Step 3. Install ManyChat or WhatsApp bots to auto-respond to FAQs. Cut down 70% of repetitive customer messages instantly. Step 4. Automate social media content using Publa plus Canva. Plus AI captions. Design once, schedule forever. Your content calendar on autopilot. Step 5. Use Tidio or Crisp for AI-powered live chat on your site. Instant answers equals higher conversion. Customers hate waiting. Step 6. Build an AI-powered CRM. Like Bardane plus Notion or HubSpot. Autolog client activity, follow-ups, and deals. Let AI remind you what to say and when. Step 7. Use Claude or Gemini to summarize long documents or sales calls. Turn chaos into clarity instantly. Step 8. Deploy email automation with MailerLite or Brevo Segment. Score and sell with personalized flows, even if you hate email marketing. Step 9. Use Zapier or Make to connect your favorite tools. If X happens in Shopify, trigger Y in Gmail. No coding, just logic. Step 10. Generate blog posts with Surfer SEO plus AI for traffic funnels. Organic traffic equals passive leads. Optimize once, benefit for months. You don't need to become a full-stack developer to automate your business. You just need the right tools and the right steps, which you're getting right now. Step 11. Create an AI-powered lead quiz using Outgrow or Typeform plus ChatGPT. Make it fun, interactive, and irresistible. Leads pour in while you sleep. Step 12. Set up automated invoices and receipts using Wave plus Zapier. No more chasing payments or sending manual receipts. Step 13. Record explainer videos using Pictory or Synthesia AI avatars, even if you hate being on camera. Your brand can still show up 24/7. Step 14. Offer personalized product recommendations via AI chat. Tools like Intercom or Octane AI can upsell for you automatically. Step 15. Track sales data with automated dashboards via Google Looker Studio. Know what's working. Kill what's not. Decisions powered by data, not drama. Step 16. Train your AI assistant to handle refund or support requests. Use custom GPTs or fine-tuned bots via Chatbase or VoiceFlow. Step 17. Generate review requests automatically post-purchase. Use AI to write them politely and personalize based on product bought. Step 18. Use AI video editors like Wisecut or Descript to speed up YouTube content. Batch create, repurpose, and post consistently with zero burnout. Step 19. Create urgency using smart triggers, cart timers, scarcity emails. Psychology plus automation equals fast conversions. Step 20. Review your funnel weekly with AI-generated audits. Let AI show you where your funnel is leaking and how to fix it. That's it. 20 steps that can turn your side hustle into a self-sustaining machine. Start with 3 that excite you the most and stack more over time. Drop a comment below. Which step will you try first? And hey, if this helped you, subscribe for more automation, gold, fintech hacks, and side hustle strategies. Only here on Side Hustle Safari. Work smarter, earn faster, live freer.